Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the exciting topic of creating engaging content with automation. In the digital world of content creation, capturing your audience's attention and keeping them engaged is essential for building a loyal following. Automation can be a powerful ally in this endeavor, providing you with tools and techniques to streamline your content creation process while still delivering captivating and personalized experiences. So, let's dive in and discover some tips and tricks for creating engaging content with automation. Creating engaging content starts with understanding your audience. Automation tools can help you gather data about your viewers, such as their demographics, interests, and viewing behavior. Utilizing this information, you can tailor your content to meet their preferences and deliver what they find most interesting. Automation can streamline your content planning and scheduling process. Utilize tools that allow you to create a content calendar, plan topics in advance, and establish a consistent publishing schedule. This ensures that your audience knows when to expect new content from you, creating anticipation and fostering engagement. Content curation is another area where automation can be incredibly helpful. With the abundance of information available online, finding relevant and valuable content to share with your audience can be time-consuming. Automation tools can assist in curating content based on specific keywords or topics, saving you time and providing your audience with valuable resources. Video editing plays a significant role in creating visually appealing and engaging content. Automation tools offer features like preset templates, filters, and transitions that can speed up the editing process. You can create consistent branding and aesthetics for your videos while saving time and effort. By providing personalized recommendations within your videos or through email newsletters, you can increase viewer retention and create a more tailored experience. Furthermore, these tools can also assist in translating your content into multiple languages, allowing you to reach a global audience and foster inclusivity. Features like clickable annotations, polls, quizzes, and interactive cards can be integrated into your videos, encouraging viewers to actively participate and enhancing their overall experience. Automation tools can analyze viewer engagement, such as likes, comments, and shares, providing you with insights into what resonates with your audience. This data helps you refine your content strategy and create more engaging videos in the future. While automation can greatly enhance your content creation process, it's important to maintain a balance between automation and personalization. Genuine interaction and connection with your audience should always remain a priority. Automation should be used as a tool to enhance your efforts, not replace them. I have a quick favor to ask. It would mean the world to me if you could take a moment to hit that thumbs up button below. Your likes help support the channel and let me know that you're enjoying what you're watching. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you and it helps create a sense of community here. Share your thoughts, ideas, or even suggestions for future videos. Lastly, if you want to stay up to date with all the latest videos and never miss a new upload, make sure to turn on post notifications. Simply click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select All to receive notifications whenever I post new content.